So here's my new to me 2014 Triumph Tiger Sport. I wanted to have a radiator guard because the radiator's a bit vulnerable. Crap getting thrown up from well, other people's wheels and my own front wheel. So looking on eBay, they're all ranging from about £60 upwards. Not really sure how well you can see it in the light, but I ended up making one because I didn't really want to pay that much. So I bought from eBay. I'll go around the other side so you can see it a little bit better. I think it looks fine, personally. On eBay I bought some aluminium mesh and some standard car door trim. Let's see if you can get a reasonable view of it. There happens to be good attachment points where you can just attach this with some cable ties. It's a very simple shape, and then I don't know if you can see at the top there, it's just attached again with a couple of cable ties. Looks alright, doesn't it? And the total cost, I bought, you can see the rest of the mesh that I bought there, so I used less than a third, just less than a third of the mesh, and the mesh was about 15 quid, post included, and the car door trim I think was £2 or £3, something like that, for a metre of it, of which I've used about a half. And this aluminium mesh, extremely easy to cut, like cutting paper with a pair of scissors with a decent pair of tin snips, and you can see how easy it is to cut a nice straight line. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, cheers, bye for now.